Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got something new for you guys, of course. Alright, today I have this tire pressure monitor system. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like, if you guys don't know. This is how it looks. Let me take it out the package and show you. I actually got 5 of them, and this is the genuine parts. Toyota Lexus, you know it's the same company. Just that Lexus is more luxury and have more performance. Basically the same company. Alright, so I bought these for my Toyota Avalon. I have a 2007, and I've been getting my light been coming on. My tire pressure monitor system lights been coming on due to the fact is, as you can see, a battery is in there. They usually last like 10 years. My car is a 2007. We're in 2020 now. So I'm just, and I also, in my spare, I also have the, one of the right here of the sensor is like broken. It's broken. When I had it on my, when I had it on the car, when I had that tire on the car, I thought that I had a slow leak, but I checked the slow leak. I was like, the tire don't have no leak. And when I checked, the air was coming from the broken sensor, and it ended up breaking even more. It got worse that I had to take it off, remove it. But as you can see, a battery is in there, and they last like probably about 10 years. Yeah, they last about 10 years. So I'm gonna get that replaced. So if you guys have like a tire pressure monitor light, it could mean various reasons. It could be means that you could be low on air. They also probably need to be reprogrammed. Certain cars, you have a button that you press, like the Toyotas. You have a button like underneath the steering wheel, you hold down. I had showed that a long time ago in the video to reset it, and you reset it and start driving. The light will just automatically come off. Sometimes when you change your spare, sometimes as well, if your spare don't have a tire monitor sensor that match the same one that you have on the car before, the light will stay on. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. I think cars from 2007 and up, it's mandatory to have a tire pressure monitor sensor. That's just the government. They're the one who did that. Older models, it doesn't really require. It is hot in here. Sorry about that, guys. But yes, older models don't really require that. So I'm basically gonna change all 5 of them. My spare and the four sensors that's on the car right now. All of them is basically bad. They have a thing that tests them. I think you could get one of those scan tool things to test them and also reprogram them. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take it to the shop and let them install all the new ones and program all the new ones on there so that light could come off. I'm gonna show you how bad it is from how my spare look like, and it's broken. That's done. Like, that's not, I'm not gonna even waste my time try to fix it or remove it. Like, I'm gonna just remove it and replace it with this new one. As I said, this one is for different cars, got different types. All of them don't fit the same, but this one is for my 2007. I think this one will work for the 2007 to 2012 Toyota Avalon. These are tire pressure monitor sensors, and that's what I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my spare, where the crack, where that other one is broken. Alright guys, I want to show you guys my spare, and as you can see right there, the tire pressure monitor sensor is broken. See it? So I'm gonna have to get that replaced. That's what's causing that light. And that's just my spare, and the other ones, I think the battery is just done. There's no good. So I think they last like up to like 10 years. Like 10 years they last. So since I have 5 of them, I'm gonna replace all 5. And once I replace all 5, this light should stop blinking, and it should basically come off, like erase by itself. They have like a scanner, like a scan tool just for the tire pressure system, monitor system, that you could set it. All you gotta do is set one and program the sensor to the car. I think all you gotta do is just like program one. I'm not sure how they do it, but they're gonna have to program all of them to the car. But as for mine, this is the genuine part that I got. It's not no off the market, so it should work. And as I said, the batteries for all of them, for all my 4 tires, is basically dead. I think they last like 10 years. Now my car is a 2007 Toyota Avalon, so I'm gonna get them replaced. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.